Welcome once again. Today you will learn how to make a 5 petal flower. Step 1 is to take a square. You can take even a newspaper to practice first, and take the square, fold in half. You can see it. Yes. Then fold the center and then open it and place it like this. We fold this in half, press, open it, press again, and then see this line here and come to this center line like this. This line and this line should meet like this, and this line and this line should meet like this. You do this one, and you're doing the same here, and then you will fold it behind like this. You will need a little practice for this step, but with practice you will get it right. And then you'll take a pencil or a pen and mark the shape of your leaf, of your petal, to create your flower. Taking this, and I take my scissors and I cut and then open it. Let me see what I get. A 5 petal flower. Can you see it? Now I repeat again. I'm taking a color paper this time. Press, fold in half. See that the corners touch and it's exact. Press. Now on this center line, fold this in half, and again take this and bend, and then can you see this dot here and this line here? You should be able to fold it like this and do the same on this side. You have one fold on this line and one fold on this line, and then you fold it back, and then you can cut out your petal. Now let us see whether we get